Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last Tectonic in today's newspaper in the additional Friday, October the 2nd, 2020. Yes, Friday, October the 2nd, 2020. The last Sudoku, a Tectonic with 3 stars. This will be yeah, number 1676, and in my previous video I've noticed that the additional with extra Sudokus on Friday are the same as Thursday. Yes, Thursday, October the 1st. This one is the same like this one. You can compare it. Yes, this one is the same. So I will not solve this. So the 1676 is the same as the 1667. Sorry to disappoint you. Thank you for watching again, and bye bye. See you tomorrow.